Hello and welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making fried mushrooms with malt vinegar ranch dressing. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below, and check out my second channel. I game and stuff on there, link in the description. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to make the malt vinegar ranch dressing, which is really simple. You just mix together a third cup of mayonnaise, a third cup of sour cream, a third cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of malt vinegar, a quarter teaspoon of sugar, 1 garlic clove finely grated, 3 tablespoons of thinly sliced fresh chives, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh flat leaf parsley leaves, and 1 tablespoon fresh chopped dill, and season with salt and pepper. That's it. You just mix all those together and then you put it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Now onto making the batter for the fried mushrooms. You're going to want to start by heating about 1 inch of oil to 350 degrees over medium-high heat. You can do that in a deep fryer or just like in a pot on the stove. And then you're going to want to mix together 3/4 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of salt, several grinds of black pepper, a teaspoon of granulated garlic, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of cayenne. Just whisk all those together and then grab another medium-sized bowl. In your second bowl, you're going to want to combine 1 large egg white cold, 3/4 cups of cold buttermilk, and then 3/4 cups of cold lager or India Pale Ale beer. Then you whisk those together until well combined. And then I forgot about this step until a little bit later, but then you add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and whisk it until it makes like kind of like a crepe batter. And then you dip your 8 ounces small cremini mushrooms and 8 ounces fresh wild mushrooms, morels, chanterelles, hen of the woods, oyster mushrooms, etc. You dip them in a separate bowl of flour, and then you put them in the batter, and then you fry them. I forgot I didn't make the batter, so the first batch of mushrooms look awful. But now the real fun begins, and they look good. And you just want to fry them until they're like golden brown. You don't want to over fry them. I did accidentally over fry a couple of them, and under frying them is not that big of a deal. Once you're done frying one of the each batch, you're going to transfer them with a slotted spoon over to a baking sheet with a wire rack on it, and then sprinkle salt on them. And you're just going to do that as you go. Not like a thick layer of salt, just like a nice even layer of salt. so good. They're biting into air. Like they're so light and fluffy, and the mushrooms become so tender. There's like no resistance, and it's delicious. It's yummy mushroom flavored air, and the breading's just so good. I would genuinely just eat the breading, just fry it in like balls. Also, that sauce, the malt vinegar sauce, is so good. It actually might be my favorite part of this recipe. You can use it for you can dip anything in it. It's so yummy. I would 100% make this again. I most definitely will make that vinegar ranch dressing thing again because it was delicious. 9 out of 10. Highly recommend.